Hi, readers. Have you ever guessed on a reading question? Today I'm going to show you a better way. I'm going to teach you a super helpful strategy. It has 3 steps. Ready? Read, look, prove. Let's find out what each step means. Step 1 is read. When you see a reading question, slow down and read it carefully. Don't rush. Make sure you understand what the question is asking before you do anything else. Step 2 is look. Go back into the story and look for clues. The answer is hiding somewhere in the words. Hunt for it like a reading detective. Step 3 is prove. Choose the answer that you can prove using words from the story. If the story says it, you can prove it. That's how great readers think. So our strategy is read, look, and prove. 3 simple steps that help you find the right answer every single time. Now let's try it together with a real story. Here is our story. Listen carefully. Ben wanted to fly his new kite. He waited for a windy day. At the park, the wind lifted the kite high into the sky. Ben laughed as he ran across the grass with his kite. Here is our comprehension question. Are you ready? Why was Ben able to fly his kite? Let's use our strategy to figure this out. Look at these 3 answer choices. A. It was raining. B. It was windy. C. It was bedtime. Only one of these is something we can prove with the story. Which one do you think it is? Let's use our strategy. Step 1. Read the question. Why was Ben able to fly his kite? I'm reading it slowly and carefully so I know exactly what I need to find. Step 2. Look back in the story for clues. Let's search the story together. Ben wanted to fly his new kite. He waited for a windy day. At the park, the wind lifted the kite high. Ben laughed as he ran. Did you see it? Look right there. He waited for a windy day. That sentence is our clue. Step 3. Prove the answer. Our story clue says he waited for a windy day. Now look at the answer choices. It was raining? No, the story doesn't say that. It was bedtime? Nope. It was windy? Yes. That matches our clue perfectly. We can prove it. Woohoo! Amazing work, readers. You just used read, look, and prove to find the right answer. You thought like a great reader. I am so proud of you. You did it. You used our 3 steps and you found the answer that you could prove with the story. That is real reading power. Remember our strategy. Read the question carefully. Look back in the story for clues. Prove, choose the answer you can prove with the story. Say it with me. Read, look, prove. If you can prove your answer with the story, you're thinking like a great reader. Every time you see a question, remember, don't guess. Read, look, and prove. You've got this, readers. See you next time.